We are in this Indaba because we are trying to answer the call by the President of the Republic, President Ramaphosa, which when he said we must try our level best to take the G20 to the people. Hence, we must appreciate that the National Department, through the Minister, have requested that all provinces to have engagement in terms of even outside the country. We really want to appreciate that. It will then going to assist that the input that we are gathering today will be benefiting shaping our sector towards the national G20 Education Indaba that will take on the August 2025. Indaba gives an opportunity to reflect on our own journey towards delivering inclusive, relevant and quality education to all South Africans. The 2025 is one of the years that we must ask ourselves how far we have gone, especially as the province prima, especially Department of Education, where we have serious challenges in terms of the sector and failing to deal with issues, basic issues, to assist our schools, to assist our sector, and also to deal. But we are making sure that we provide quality education. That's why we must really appreciate the role that is played by our educators who are working tirelessly under the difficult conditions that we are faced with. I thought it's important, as much as we are dealing with these issues, but it's important to highlight those challenges. And I'm aware that as a government, we are going to deal with those issues.